Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to learn some action verb sentences. Let's get started. Brush, brush. The boy is brushing his teeth. The boy is brushing his teeth. Close, close. Please close the door. Please close the door. Run, run. He is running a marathon. He is running a marathon. Shut, shut. Always shut down your PC after use. Always shut down your PC after use. Wash, wash. The boy is washing his school uniform. The boy is washing his school uniform. Cook, cook. She is cooking a delicious dinner for us. She is cooking a delicious dinner for us. Unplug, unplug. Always unplug the iron after using it. Always unplug the iron after using it. Eat, eat. The girl is eating pizza. The girl is eating pizza. Push, push. The boy is pushing the shopping cart. The boy is pushing the shopping cart. Study, study. The girl is studying diligently for the upcoming exams. The girl is studying diligently for the upcoming exams. Jump, jump. The girl jumps so high. The girl jumps so high. Sweep, sweep. My sister is sweeping the floor. My sister is sweeping the floor. Meditate, meditate. My friend is meditating. My friend is meditating. Smile, smile. Our teacher greeted us with a warm smile. Our teacher greeted us with a warm smile. Watch, watch. The girl is watching her favorite TV show. The girl is watching her favorite TV show. Learn, learn. The boy is learning how to swing. The boy is learning how to swing. Climb, climb. The boy is climbing the tree. The boy is climbing the tree. Teach, teach. She is teaching her students new vocabulary words. She is teaching her students new vocabulary words. Comb, comb. I comb my hair regularly to make it tidy. I comb my hair regularly to make it tidy. Bath, bath. I bath regularly to keep my body clean. I bath regularly to keep my body clean. Sleep, sleep. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Enjoy, enjoy. My grandmother enjoys drinking tea. My grandmother enjoys drinking tea. Ride, ride. The boy is riding his bicycle to school. The boy is riding his bicycle to school. Drive, drive. I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day. Sit, sit. The cat is sitting on the chair. The cat is sitting on the chair. Clap, clap. They are clapping for the top student in their class. They are clapping for the top student in their class. Write, write. The girl is writing her homework. The girl is writing her homework. Sing, sing. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. Walk, walk. The girl is walking to school. The girl is walking to school. Slice, slice. The mommy is slicing vegetables. The mommy is slicing vegetables. Love, love. She loves to hug her teddy bear. She loves to hug her teddy bear. Buy, buy. The girl buys a watermelon from the market. The girl buys a watermelon from the market. Spin, spin. She spins the casino roulette. She spins the casino roulette. Dance, dance. The boy is dancing to his favorite song. The boy is dancing to his favorite song. Stretch, stretch. My mommy always stretches her body every morning. My mommy always stretches her body every morning. Play, play. We play football every Saturday. We play football every Saturday. Give, give. Please give me my textbook. Please give me my textbook. Exercise, exercise. The man always exercises every morning at the gym. The man always exercises every morning at the gym. Call, call. I am calling my friend. I am calling my friend. Mop, mop. She is mopping the floor to clean up the spilled water. She is mopping the floor to clean up the spilled water. Ring, ring. Our office desk phone is ringing. Our office desk phone is ringing. Laugh, laugh. They are laughing at a funny joke. They are laughing at a funny joke. Cry, cry. She is crying because she lost her favorite toy. She is crying because she lost her favorite toy. Read, read. She reads a new book every week. She reads a new book every week. Draw, draw. She draws creatively. She draws creatively.
And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.